Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the Redspot v0.2. Redspot is a contract development tool of Substrate. It is like the truffle, waffle, or hard hat on Ethereum. Before a month ago, we released the first version of Redspot, which contains the basic functions like compilation, test, and deployment, etc. Now, we are happy to announce the release of its second version. It's been almost completely rewritten. We draw on the experience of a hard-hat plug system, which brings extreme flexibility to Redspot. Now, Redspot is not only a development tool based on ink and substrate, but also can adapt to the various needs of different chains in the future, even to support EVM contracts. Except the plugin system, we also redesigned the JavaScript API. We learned from Ethers. Now we have more simple and explicit API. The new Redspot is TypeScript friendly. It provides a TypeScript-based template by default, so you don't need to do any setup. Next, I'll show you how easy it is to use Redspot in your own ink project. Here is the source code of ink. Let's open an example of its ERC contract. Firstly, we initialize the project. Then we install the Redspot package. Then we create a redspot.config.js file. Require Redspot in the file. Now we can start to compile ERC contract. The compiled ABI and WASM files are stored in Artifacts folder by default. Now let's test our contract. The Redspot has a built-in console command that enables to test the contract in IPO interface. Now let's launch our chain. Then we update our config file to set the chain we want to link to. Run the console command. Get the ERC20 contract. Then deploy it to test network.
Now we are going to get a test account. We got the account Bob. See what Bob's ERC balance is. It's 0. Now we transform 7 to Bob's address. Done. Let's see what Bob's ERC balance is now. It's 7. Transform test succeed.
Finally, let's try to write a task. We create a task deploy, which can deploy our contract to substrate test network. Run deploy command. Here it shows signature error because we didn't set the types correctly. Let's fix it. Continue the deploy command. Now we can see it's deployed successfully. We can extract the deploy task and share it as a plugin to other projects. In the following v0.3, all of our new features are going to be provided as plugins to help developers to debug contract more easily.